How to delete all voicemail on Android phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete all voicemail on Android phone. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the settings app on your phone. And once you have opened the app, simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled as apps. Now here you can see the option labeled as manage apps. So simply tap on that. Now here once you see the interface like this, simply tap on the search bar and search for phone. Once you do that, here on the list you can see the phone option. So simply tap on that. Now here, once you are in your phone app settings, what you need to do is simply tap on the clear data button at the bottom right, and from the pop-up menu simply tap on clear cache. And once you have done that, what you need to do is simply tap on the force stop button, which can be seen in the bottom left, but as you can see the button is not functional at the moment. But if you want to clear all voicemail, you need to tap on the force stop button, and once you do that, all the voicemail on your phone will be deleted. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.